City Subaru have been part of Perth more than 35 years. We're proud to announce we've finished our renovations. We've got more places for you to park, more used cars for you to choose from, and improved technical equipment so we can better service your car. Welcome to the all-new City Subaru. At City Subaru, we have the full range of new Subarus ready for you to test drive. Now, you're not going to find a massive warehouse randomly packed with cars. What you will find, however, is what we believe to be the best selection of pre-owned vehicles in Perth. They've all been thoroughly inspected by our technicians, so they're guaranteed not to give you any stress. And although we'd love to have you visit our brand new dealership, we're more than happy to bring the car you're interested in to you. All you've got to do is ask. And we also don't have the largest service centre in WA or mechanics that are employed to just service a car. What we do have is a large state-of-the-art service centre and the best team of qualified mechanics that absolutely love what they do. How you doing, Sean? We can service your car while you wait. You can leave it with us and we'll get you to work and back again when we're done. Or if you prefer, you can borrow one of our bikes and ride to work, because of the city, well, it's just there. Thanks, Renee. So find everything you need to make your experience the best it can be. If you need finance, we can help you with that, or genuine parts and accessories for the Subaru you have, or the one you've just purchased, we can also help you with that.
City Subaru is a family-owned business. It's not been swallowed up by the big conglomerates. It's a boutique dealership, family-owned, so we're able to provide that service to people. It's a little bit unique. What I love about City Subaru is family company, family values, and I get to come to work with people that are essentially like family.
But what we're most proud of is our team. They're professional, and importantly, they understand how important you are. So if you need anything, just ask, because at City Subaru,
It's all about you.
And that's our promise.
You're right.